Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing y'all my slimes. So here is one of them. This one is a purple deflated fluffy slime. And this one, it is very stretchy. And it's kind of sticky too, so I'm going to try to do a swirl, and yeah, it does sound sticky, and so we need to start being a bit rough with it, and so yeah, here's one of my slimes. Oh, and by the way, I only have 2 slimes. Oh, yeah, this is extremely sticky, and that was my mom. Yeah. And I did a slime smoothie because this slime, it was blue, and then it was like originally a green color, and then I just left this slime, like some pieces of it green, and then like a green blue, and then I got another piece, and then I made it a light purple, and then I did a slime smoothie. And if you don't know how to do that, go look at that video, cause and then you go like that, and then like that, and then yeah. So I'm gonna make a bubble of this. That didn't work. Did he look?
Is this yours?
Oh my lord.
Huh?
Well, yeah. That made a huge bubble and a huge. Okay. What else makes slime not be sticky? Because I already added some contact solution, and it's still really sticky. Because I used the rest of my contact solution, and I don't have any more, and it's still really sticky. Should I add water to it?
No way.
Okay, so I'm gonna put this back up in the container. So I'm gonna do 3 minutes of each slime. So 3 minutes of this one. Now I got to do 3 minutes of my fishbowl. This fishbowl slime right here, it was originally supposed to be a blue fluffy slime, but I got really bored, me and my cousin. So oh, by the way, I'll have her channel done. So she has a channel too, and we did slimes and we did transitions. That's really cool. So be sure if you make a fishbowl to always have plates or bowls near you, so your fish bowl don't go away. Beads, and then if they do go away, then you won't have no more fish bowl. And then, so this slime is stretchy. It's supposed to be a deflated fluffy slime. And we added fishbowl. Fishbowl. And so we got 1 more minute left. What?
What did you? Come here,
That's my mom. Mom, you should start doing YouTube too.
oh no, baby.
Why not? Jake Paul's 20 years old and he does YouTube.
Oh, good for Jake Paul.
I love Jake Paul. Jake Paul's awesome.
Okay, so what are we gonna watch now?
I don't know.
Oh yeah, we were gonna search. Can you search on this?
Go to that search button.
I know, but I'm gonna hit the categories first.
See all your fishbowl beads fall out. Now we need to make this slime.
You need to go pot it out, Zach. Tim needs to go pot it out, Zach. He does. I can tell he's like running around in circles.
Say hi, Mom.
Tim needs to go pot it out, Zach.
Mother, you're supposed to say hi.
Door.
So I kind of
He
want.
did. He ended up beating you real bad.
Aww. So I'm gonna let
He's
these.
still peeing. Back door.
I'll do 1 more minute on this slime.
Are you done? All done.
He didn't have to go number 2.
Apollo. I guess, because he didn't come back in the house.
So if you don't know what a fishbowl bead looks by itself, I'm about to show you a whole bunch of them because you should look at it because they're really pretty. They're like these clear things.
Karen, those things are falling on the floor, babe.
No, they're not.
Yeah, they are.
Where?
There's like 2 of them behind you.
Oh. Because they're only supposed to be on. Wait. Comment if you know. Comment if you know your favorite type of slime. Mine is fishbowl, cloud slime, and butter slime. I made. Well, here's my fishbowl, and I've made butter slime, but I really want to make cloud slime. And that's why I told my parents I want a whole bunch of slime supplies for Christmas because Christmas is right around the corner. Mom, how many more days until Christmas? What's today? Mom? And there goes another fishbowl. Okay, so the fishbowls are all coming out, which is a good thing. And I'll make a part 2 to this video, and then I'll show you what this slime looks like by itself.
Those pictures of their baby are just too cute.
So yeah, bye. We make a part 2.